look what we got. Finally, I know it's December, but this is the November AIA Beauty Bundle. I know, right? It happened in October as well. Supposedly, it will be fixed this month. If you are interested in seeing what I got in the November 2021 American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. Today I will be unboxing the very late November box. I know it's December, but there was a whole issue. I don't know, it's happened 2 months in a row, and supposedly it's going to be fixed this month. If anyone is new to the AIA Beauty Bundle, it is a beauty subscription, which used to be bi-monthly and is now monthly. It is $34 a month, and typically they have one brand or influencer curate the box. Last month it was ColourPop. Next month, spoiler alert, it's going to be MAC Cosmetics. Yay! This month, sadly, full disclosure, I already unboxed this earlier today and I lost the video file. Don't ask. So here I am refilming, which is fine. It's just you won't get my genuine surprise. You know, it will make filming go quicker because I have all the details now. Also, when I do swatches and show the products, you will see my grimy little fingerprints already in there. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first item, this is from Invisibobble, and it is 2 scrunchies. One is in kind of ballet slipper pink, and the other one is in black. You know how I feel about products like this. I just have short hair, so no need. That will be set aside for a potential giveaway. All right. Oh, and this retails for a whopping $10. I found that a little pricey. If you need some scrunchies, hit up Target, or probably the Dollar Tree has some good options. All right. Next item, we have some false eyelashes. These are from Aredell, and these are the flawless ones. And I do not wear false eyelashes, but this pair here is making me want to. Look at those. They're like thick and full and look lovely. Leave me a comment if you think it would be hilarious to watch me try to put these on. First, I will need to locate some glue. All right. Oh, and these retail for $5. Okay, what else came in this box? Oh, yes. Okay, so there is a liquid eyeliner, and this is actually from AIA Beauty. Apparently, they have their own makeup brand. I've already done a swatch. It's the darker one here. And by the way, I've filmed a bunch of videos today. Both of these, one is from Ofra, this one's AIA. They both passed my smear test. And I had a ton of swatches for multiple videos, and I've wiped my hands numerous times with makeup wipes to get rid of like the highlighter and eyeshadow and lip swatches. Both of these have remained. I've even washed my hands a few times. So this looks to be a really good waterproof, smudge-proof black eyeliner. And it retails for $17. I was going to say that, but then I didn't want to be wrong. Okay, next product. We got something from First Aid Beauty. This here is the Ultra Repair Cream, which is an intense hydration, skin protectant, colloidal oatmeal moisturizer. And this is large. This is 6 ounces or 170.1 grams. I already own this product because a beauty bundle several months ago, maybe in the summer, they did an entire box with First Aid Beauty, and this was one of the products. Plus, I've also received this, don't make me guess, I don't know, one of my beauty boxes, Ipsy, Allure. It was a much smaller size, but this is really nice. It's a thicker cream, so I don't like thick creams on my face. I tend to get milia, but this cream is lovely. What I do is I put it on my hands. If you ever get a serum or moisturizer for your face that you don't enjoy, or maybe it's made for acne, or you got oily skin and it's for dry, don't throw it away. And if you don't have someone to donate it to, what you can do is put it on your hands, put it on your elbows, put it on your feet. You can use it elsewhere on your body, which is nice. All right, what does this retail for? I want to say 36, 34, 30 something, 36. Wow, memory, doing good today. Okay, next item. Oh yes, it's this guy here, which is from Glow Recipe. I probably had it upside down and backwards. This here is a lip pop, the Blueberry Bounce, which is in the shade / scent Blueberry Jam. And let me tell you, it smells like blueberry jam. It's adorable. So the packaging is purple, but the product itself is a light pink. And what's interesting is that it doesn't swatch or look blue. It's pink, but it smells divine. I will try and put it on my lips, but I'm already sporting, like 15 shades and products, so I don't know what's going to pick up. But I will let you know, this is not sticky. It glides on and smells divine. I think it took off my product more than added, but to be fair, I didn't have bare lips. This is very nice, but a little bougie pricey in my opinion. It's $22. Now, Glow Recipe has some nice products, but for lip balms, and is how quickly I go through them, no ma'am, I will not be spending $22 of my own money. But I love to get it in a beauty subscription box. All right, next item, we have an eyeshadow palette. And this here is from the Murillo twins in collaboration with Beauty Creations. Now, Beauty Creations, I think we have received products from that brand in, I want to say, BoxyCharm. I'm either too old or too out of it to even know who the heck the Murillo twins are. Look at this packaging. So it's cardboard, but there's like, this is real metal or tin or something on top. It looks beautiful. Leave me a comment. Who are they? Some kind of TikTok famous people? Or do they have like a beauty channel on YouTube and I'm just super clueless? I don't know who they are. But look at this palette here. All right, so this is quite adventurous, but I've already swatched it, so I'm stuck with it. It has some blues and purples and some lovely shimmers. All right, so these swatched really well. I'm going to need to get into more blues. All right, and the last item is also a palette, which makes sense because they're the Murillo twins. So each sister has their own palette. Again, same packaging. This one is from the other sister and is more suited for my neutral, boring, everyday adventurousness or lack thereof. Let me do some swatches. So there are some lovely kind of mauve-y, dusty rose, pinks. And there are the swatches from the second palette. Yes. All right. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like this box? Do you subscribe? Are you thinking about subscribing now that you know that MAC is coming in December? Let's do a recap of what came in this box. We got 2 hair scrunchies, some false eyelashes, a black waterproof eyeliner, a blueberry lip balm from Glow Recipe, the Ultra Repair Cream from First Day Beauty, a 12-pan eyeshadow palette from Brittany Murillo, and a 12-pan eyeshadow palette from Briana Murillo. Let me know your thoughts. I think this was a pretty good box. It was interesting how it was not curated by one brand or person. This is what they're referring to as the beauty favorites. I wonder if they do that once a year, if this is something new. By the way, these eyeshadow palettes swatched really good. I'll need to try them out. But this 12-pan palette is only $17. So is the other one. That is really affordable. I'm curious where these can be picked up. If I can find any information, I will throw it on the screen. All right, leave me a comment and let me know if you have A, heard of these twins, B, if you were aware of their eyeshadow palettes and if you've tried them, and if so, what are your thoughts? Let me know, have you used this before? It's really good. Not a fan of thick creams, not this one in particular, just in general on my face, but I throw this on my hands and man, my hands are so soft after using it. This eyeliner, I am super excited because, as I mentioned before, talk about waterproof. When you can't even get it off your hand after washing them a few times, that is pretty good. And I don't use these, but these look lovely. I like how thick they are. They're very black, but they aren't too long. They look like something that I could possibly wear. Okay, so I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total to see what the value of all these items were. 3 of them were $17, so it's probably going to be a little over $100, maybe $122 or so. For $34, not too shabby. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me the biggest favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, this will be quick and sorry I rushed through it, but it's the second time I'm filming today this exact same video. So yeah, there's that. All right, welcome to the world of YouTube. All right, thanks everyone.